Hi guys, we are in book 2. If you are not in book 2, then this is not the correct video for you. Book 2, I'm looking at page 12. Please turn to page 12 in your book. And I want you to look at the pictures and think about what the story is going to be about. And let's look at the title. It's called My Dog Max. I'm going to start reading it with you, and then I want you to finish reading it on your own, and then read it again to yourself. When you're reading to yourself, I want you to read it out loud, just like as if you had a friend sitting next to you. You can even do it with a friend and read to each other. But if you don't have someone with you, then make sure you're reading it out loud so that you can hear the words you're saying, and make sure they sound correct. We're going to start from the beginning. My dog Max is a great dog. He can catch a rubber ball. He will fetch a stick when I throw it. He sits when I tell him to sit. Now, I want you to make sure that you have a pencil with you so that, remember when we did the last story, so that you can underline and circle words and take notes in the margin. This way, when you're answering the questions after the story, you'll not have to reread the story. You'll be able to just look at your notes and find where the answers are. So what we just read was that he's a great dog. So go ahead and circle the words great dog. Now I'm on the second paragraph. The only bad thing about Max is mud. He loves mud. Let's underline that. He loves mud. If there is mud around, Max can find it. He plays in mud puddles after it rains. He rolls in wet dirt in the garden. I yell at Max. He just smiles at me. When I got home from school today, Max was a mess. He had mud from his head to his tail. Muddy Max, you are a mess, I said. His smile went away. Max knew that he was in trouble. Now, what do you think we should underline or circle in this paragraph? Think about it. Underline or circle something. Remember, there's not really anything wrong to underline or circle. It's just what helps us remember what we read. So maybe you want to circle the word mess. Maybe you want to circle the word trouble. Whatever you circle is fine. Now we're going to continue on the next page. Max, I said, you need a bath. Max hates getting a bath. As soon as I got the wash tub and hose, Max took it off. I chased him around the backyard. I chased him around the front yard. At last, I grabbed him. Then I had to drag him to the tub. So I would circle the word bath. And then in this paragraph, let's look at the different things that she had to do to take care of Max. She got the wash tub and the hose. She chased him. She grabbed him. And she dragged him. So those are some words you might want to underline, all the things that she did. You also might want to circle the word bath. Get into the tub, Max, I said. Max just sat there. Come on, Max, get into the tub, I said. Max started to pull away. Oh, no, you don't. You have to have a bath. You're a muddy mess, I shouted. I pulled. I pushed. I pulled some more. At last Max was in the tub. I rubbed soap all over him. I got the hose and rinsed off the soap. I dried him with a big old towel. Max was fluffy and clean again. You look great, Max, I told him. Now stay out of the mud. Max licked my face. He ran off, wagging his tail. What a good dog, I said. I put the tub and towel away. Then I walked around the house. There was Max. He was digging a big hole in the soft dirt in the garden. Max, you dirty dog. So we just read a lot on this page. I want you to reread it, and you decide which words you think should be circled or underlined.